natural numbers. As we know that natural number starts from 1. So let's represent natural numbers on a number line. Since natural number starts from 1, so let's write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So representation of natural numbers on a number line is nothing but this is only. Whole numbers. We know that when we add 0 to natural number, we will get the group of whole numbers. So whole number starts from 0. So let's represent the whole numbers on a number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So this is nothing but the representation of whole numbers on a number line. As we know, integers are nothing but group of negative number, positive number and 0. So in the previous numbers, that is natural and whole number, what we have seen कि the numbers start from 1 and 0. So they have a starting point. In natural number, in number line system, they have a starting point but no end point. Whereas in integer, we don't have a starting point and it's infinitely going on. Means no starting point, but on the both end it is endless. So let's represent integers on a number line. So 0 on the right hand side of the 0 is positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And on the left hand side, negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. It will continue endless. How to represent rational numbers on a number line? So very first, this we have a number line here 0, 1, 2, 0, -1, -2. We know that rational numbers are nothing but the P upon Q form where Q should not be equal to 0. So let's try to locate the point which is in between the 0 and 1. So perfectly midpoint of 0 and 1 is nothing but half of 1. Half of 1 is nothing but 1 upon 2. So this point is nothing but 1 upon 2. So what is 1 upon 2? 1 upon 2? 1 upon 2 is nothing but a rational number. Same way, this point will be 1 plus 1 upon 2. So it can be 1 plus 1 upon 2. Can be written like this. Or in the simplest form, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, that is 3 upon 2. So we can locate the rational number on the number line. Same way, this will be -1 upon 2 and this is -3 upon 2. In this example, we have 0 and 1 and between that we have 2 points. This is 1 upon 3. So we have divided 1 unit, means 0 to 1 unit into 3 equal parts. So this is 1 upon 3. So what about this? This is 2 upon 3. So how to represent 1 in rational number form? So this is 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3. So naturally this will be your 3 upon 3. So 3, 3 cancel, so 1. Then what will be this point? It's after 3 what comes? 4. So 4 upon 3 and so on. So this way we can represent rational number on the number line.